Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the world of welding with a focus on the best budget welding machines for beginners. Whether you're fixing up stuff around the house or starting a new project, having the right equipment is key. First up, we've got the Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. This machine is perfect for beginners because it's versatile and user-friendly. It can handle MIG, DC, TIG, and stick welding, and it's super easy to switch between processes. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can take it wherever you need to go. Next, let's talk about the Hobart Handler 140. This is one of the most popular welding machines on the market, and for good reason. It's reliable, easy to set up, and has a great wire feed system. It's perfect for beginners because it's very forgiving and helps you learn the ropes without too much frustration. Another great option is the Lincoln Electric K2185-1 Handy MIG Welder. This compact machine is perfect for small projects and repairs. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. It's also very affordable, making it a great choice for those on a budget. Last but not least, we have the Lotto's MIG 140. This machine is known for its consistent performance and ease of use. It's perfect for beginners because it's very forgiving and helps you achieve clean, professional-looking welds. Plus, it's very affordable, making it a great value for the price. So, there you have it. 4 fantastic welding machines that are perfect for beginners and won't break the bank. Remember, the key to successful welding is practice and patience. So don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Happy welding and stay safe out there. Catch you in the next one.